Hey, so this is gonna be pretty different from my last video. You don't need a Prophet to make this sound. You don't need a dang thing to make this sound. All you need is a square wave LFO. What? What? And I'm gonna have to cite my source on this one. I didn't come up with the sound on my own. I got this sound from a Sound on Sound article from 2000. You can look at the link below. But here's how to create it. Okay, so this patch is super easy. We're just gonna set both our oscillators full on, sawtooth waves. I've got it a little bit out of tune here, just so it choruses a little bit. No noise, no sub oscillator, no filter, anything, just you can pretty much set the cutoff wherever you want and it's still gonna sound good. Nothing interesting going on with the envelopes. This is all about the LFO. So we're gonna modulate just one of the frequencies with the square wave. And we just want the slightest bit. If you're following along with a Prophet, this part is gonna drive you crazy. Because getting this initial amount just right is really twiddly. But that's the big secret. It sounds like pulse width modulation, but it's not. Now you can add in some chorus and reverb. I use plate reverb just to thicken it up even more, but it honestly doesn't need it. You can use double chorus if you like, or double reverb, or some delay. There are a million different ways you can go with it. All of them are going to sound good though. I seriously can't recommend highly enough to go read those articles on Sound, written by a guy named Gordon Ride. I think his name is pronounced Ride. Maybe it's Reed. The man is a genius. There are lots of different kind of string sounds out there. We got synth strings, cheesy strings, joyous strings, spicy disco strings, classic video game strings, indistinguishable strings, detuned strings. What kind of strings are you into right now? I'm really interested in the strings from Zelda, A Link to the Past. I wonder how they synthesize those. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks.